Hey friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Did you guys see the cute ass strawberries I'm gonna show you how to make today? Stay tuned, y'all. Stay tuned. So I went ahead and mixed Color Mill, the teal color, and Chef Master Blue, and I got this cute ass like baby blue, but I still wanted that hint of teal in there, so that's how I got this color. And then I went ahead and put a little bit of white chocolate in my piping bag, and I made the smallest hole in it, you guys, the smallest. And then I went ahead and started drawing snowflakes. For this strawberry, I only drew 2 snowflakes. And to finish off this cute little strawberry, I just went ahead and did a bunch of little dots everywhere to like add more snow vibes, you know? And for my next strawberry, it's like damn near the same thing, except this time I'm gonna be drawing like a big snowflake. So basically the difference from this one and the last one is that I do a little bit more of the lines when I add more detail, I guess. And then same thing, I do go back and do like the little white dots, and yeah, it's still cute. This is what I meant by I do more lines. I do like 2 of the little arrow things going down, and then on the little smaller lines I went ahead and added 1. For our next strawberry, I found these sprinkles at Dollar Store. You guys, Dollar Store, the fuck? I found this at the 99 cents only store, you guys. Don't sleep on the 99-cent only store. They be having sprinkles. But anyways, I went ahead and did my drip drizzle because I'm gonna end up putting like, you know, the sprinkles on there. Just because I wanted it to give it more of an icy effect. I don't know. It looked cute to me, so you know. So for our next strawberries, we gonna need a white base, and we're gonna be drawing on some of our lights. So I went ahead and just did a random like little loop-de-loop on my strawberry, and I went back and did little lines basically. It looks weird at first, but then like, you know, when it all comes together, it does look like a bunch of little lights on a strawberry. On this strawberry, we're gonna need some of the baby blue chocolate in a bag, and make sure to make a little tiny hole again, you guys, tiny hole. So I went ahead and did like blue on the top of this strawberry, and guess what we gonna make? Well, y'all seen it at the beginning of the video, so y'all know it's gonna be a snowman. So go ahead and draw 2 black circles and fill them in, because it's gonna be the eyes. And I was really debating on doing lashes on this one, but I was like, no, because it's going to be a snowman. But I was like, nah, I'm going to do it. So it's a snow girl. So yeah, this one is super cute to me, and I went ahead and did little black dots for the smile, because you know how that people be doing it with like stones or whatever, so I try to mimic that. Don't forget the glares, guys. I feel like that makes the strawberry look extra cute. And then I went ahead and did little lines on the hat just to give it more detail. And then after that, I did like the little, like, you know, the rim, the little rim, y'all know. And to give the little Santa Claus hat a little bit more volume, I went ahead and did white marshmallows on top, because I wanted the bonbon to be like big, because when I wear like hats like this, I need the bonbon to be huge. And y'all almost thought I forgot, huh? We gotta do the carrot. But anyways, that's the last step, and bing bada boom, you got a cute little snowman's or girl. You guys, so my customer actually ended up requesting this, and I thought it was such a cute idea. She wanted the snowman to be holding like a little happy birthday sign, and I was like, oh my gosh, that is so cute. Yes. So I went ahead and did a rectangle in the middle of the body, and I filled it in with blue, of course, because that's gonna be our little poster. And then just added a little bit extra detail. I did like the buttons on top, because you know snowmen usually have like 2-3 buttons. And with brown, I went back and did 2 little stick hands that's holding the sign. And I actually made 2 of these strawberries. So on this first one, I put happy, and on the second one, which I didn't record, but I put B-Day on it. So it says happy birthday, and it's like so cute. You guys, I want you guys to comment down below and let me know if you guys are winter vibes people, because I'm definitely green and red vibes all the way. But winter vibes this year have been so cute to me. You guys, I switched my strawberries around so freaking much until I finally figure out how I like it, so don't mind me. But anyways, I hope you guys liked my video. Go ahead and leave me a comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Your girl is out. Bye!